Hey guys, so if you saw my last video, you can tell that my hair was really frizzy. So I just want to go ahead and show you guys what I did to just get this look. All I did was add some water. Also, I had put this creme of nature. It's called a twist and curl pudding. It is infused with argan oil, which is great for your hair. It adds a lot of shine to your hair. It's moisturizing. And since this is like a pudding type of texture, or like creamy, I really like it for like thicker densities of hair. Not so much of like a light or fine type of like a light density or fine hair. I wouldn't really recommend because it is kind of heavy. But it's good for more of a thicker side or coarse type of hair texture. And also I finished off with my Brazilian blowout oil. I love this stuff. It smells delicious as well. So it also helped along with that shine and kind of sealing everything that I placed. Now there's different ways to go about drying your hair. You can let it air dry. If you want a lot of volume, I would recommend diffusing your hair, just because it like really dries it up and it scrunches it and it kind of gives it its nice place, so that way whenever you're walking out the door, you already know how it's gonna be throughout the day. You let it air dry, it's gonna like, it can weigh down your hair. It can end up like not really being so curly up here. It can kind of just end up being like really flat like this. So I really recommend like air drying. Yeah, you don't want to use so much heat, so you can use it on low heat, so you know it's not that damaging to your hair. And all you gotta do is diffuse your hair like maybe once every 4 days. I mean, you know, or twice every 4 days. It's not like everyday type of thing, because then you can wear your hair like this for like 2-3 days and just kind of refresh it with some water, a little bit of this, and good to go. Walk out the door. So thanks for hearing me out, and if you haven't already, swipe up, get your YouTube account, subscribe to my channel, because this curly hair stuff is gonna be coming out, alright, on the YouTube. I'm gonna go ahead and start a series with curly hair, and I just really hope that you peep in. You know, if you're interested, if you have tips for me after my videos, give me a tip, yo, I'm gonna take it in. If you have a question, send them my way. I will be more than happy to answer in my next video. So thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe on my channel. I would appreciate it. You guys have a wonderful week. Have a blessed weekend. And yeah, goodbye.